Okay.
On a count of 5. Okay, we're gonna open it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can open them.
Open it. Yay! What did you get?
I got.
What did you get? What is that? What is it? Okay.
Jeez, boy.
What'd you get? What is it? What?
Mustard?
What? Wow, isn't that what you wanted? Don't you like mustard? No?
What did I get this from?
Really? That's your present.
It's not a present.
Huh?
This is not a present.
It isn't?
It is. You have to
Don't
work
you
hard
like
for
it?
that.
What did you get?
It looks like a spoon, but it has steams. It's a rectangle with a circle and.
Do you like it?
Hmm?
Do you like it?
Yes.
You do?
Hmm.
You love it?
Yes.
You love the spoon?
This
Yeah?
is for cooking.
It's for cooking.
It's
Huh.
for my food. The toy food.
Yeah?
So
It's
are you?
for my toy food.
Are you happy? You're happy? What about you?
I just think it's strange.
It's strange.
Why get mustard for Christmas?
I don't know why.
Well, because don't you always ask for mustard on your sandwiches?
Not always, no. Why did he get mustard?
Yeah?
He don't like mustard.
Yeah?
He don't like mustard.
He doesn't like mustard? What are you gonna do? Return it?
I don't know.
What happened?
I just didn't want mustard.
What about you? You gonna keep your present?
You can keep your mustard. You can keep the mustard.
Yeah? You like it?
This,
You do?
this looks.
You love it?
See,
Yeah?
it's small. So it's small. Then it.
Really?
You're gonna give up your first Christmas present. You're gonna give it up.
All right.
He's giving up his friends.
Well, I think you should say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you for what?
Thank you.
Mustard.
And what about you? What do you
Say
say?
thank you.
Thank you for spoons.
For spoons? Okay, Merry Christmas.
Say Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.